I'm Steve Currall, President of the University of South Florida. On behalf of the USF community, it is my honor to commemorate the 19th anniversary of September 11th, 2001. We wish to pay our respects to those whose lives were lost that day and to recognize those who continue to be affected by the tragedy. USF is proud to support our first responders and our servicemen and servicewomen who continue to put the lives of others before their own. Thank you for your continued service.
As you know, each year the University of South Florida Sarasota-Manatee campus has a remembrance ceremony for September 11th for our community, for our faculty, staff, and our students. We place flags on the lawn, typically 3,000 of them to commemorate the lives that were lost. And the young students from St. Stephen's Episcopal School sing this wonderful medley of patriotic songs. We so wish that we could do that this year, but for the safety of our faculty, our staff, our students, and our community, we've chosen instead to prepare a video.
My name is Carlos Moreira. I'm the Veteran Services Coordinator for University of South Florida Sarasota-Manatee campus. Today we honor the lives lost 19 years ago and also honor brave first responders for their actions on that day. On the bright September day, innocent men, women, and children boarded planes and set off for work, as they had so many times before. Unthinkable acts of terrorism brought tragedy, destruction, pain, and loss for people across our nation and the world. Through the fall of the Twin Towers of the World Trade Center, the damage in the Pentagon, and the crash in the field in Southwest Pennsylvania, the patriotism and resiliency of the American people shone brightly on September 11, 2001. We stood as one people, united in our common humanity and shared sorrow. We grieve for those who perished and remember what brought us together as Americans. For this reason, September 11 is recognized as Patriot Day, a national day of service and remembrance.
Hello, my name is Dan Hoffe. I am a proud USF MBA grad from 2005, and on September 11th, I was on the 61st floor of the South Tower when the North Tower was hit.
All messages, Tuesday, September 11th, 9:23 a.m.
Hey, sir, this is Dan. I just wanted to let you know I don't think you can hear me, but a plane flew into the World Trade Center. But I got out of it. I'm okay, so don't worry.
Today I'd like to share with you a poem I've written entitled My Long Drive Home, reflecting on my experiences at 9/11. I remember driving back home from Ground Zero to Sarasota, Florida, on the Friday after 9/11, after being saved, after surviving that tragic Tuesday, whose heroes and victims will forever live on in my heart, and who I will never, ever forget. As I exited from the Holland Tunnel and entered New Jersey, I remembered sensing a powerful, palpable patriotism surrounding me on my return journey home. It's something that I'd never experienced before or since, where every American, no matter their color, creed, race, or religion, was united as one. For that morning, no matter where you were, we all felt like we'd been attacked, for we were all Americans. And I will never forget the thousands of people, men, women, and children, who were standing together in their everyday clothes on the bridges and overpasses that I went under, proudly cheering and waving the stars and stripes above their heads, as we slowed down and honked our horns in unison to let them know that we saw them, to let them know that we were one, to let them know that we would never forget. As we viscerally and emotionally reaffirmed our love for each other, for our great country, for its sweet liberty, I remember with amazement seeing people everywhere around the world, from hundreds of countries, big and small, gathering together spontaneously and speaking loudly with one voice, saying that today we're all Americans. Today we stand with you. Today we fight with you and for you against the unspeakable intolerance and fanatical fundamentalism that led to the attack on the Twin Towers that killed 2,977 innocent individuals, mothers, fathers, sisters, sons, on that fatal fall morn. Part of me wishes we could all be transported back in time to my long drive home, to that special moment in history of patriotism and unity, where I felt for the first time the immense power that's unleashed when people truly come together and have each other's backs, where you feel and know deep in your gut that you, I, and everyone else are Americans first, no matter where we were born, no matter where we started our lives. So my friends, this year, on the anniversary of this fateful fall day, let's never forget those brave souls who paid the ultimate price so that others could live. And let's do our best to faithfully follow in their footsteps today and always.
Please join us next year for the 20th anniversary of September 11th, where we can welcome you once again back to our campus. Thank you.